everyone, before I get started and share with you why Fukuoka is one of my favorite places above Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka, we gotta get some breakfast first. And then we saw this review and knew we had to check it out. She says it is the best brunch she has ever had in her life. So come on in and let's take a look. So then I got the matcha latte and the ricotta pancakes, and I have to say this is the best brunch I've ever had in my life. She was right. In my 20s, I really liked Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka, but now that I am in my 30s, I'm looking for something a bit more relaxed while being able to enjoy Japan, and that's why I picked Fukuoka. It has just the right amount of people at every attraction, the waits are never over 30 minutes, and Fukuoka has both city and nature and culture all within an hour walk. In this trip, I also went on a day trip outside of Fukuoka, which I'll show you in another video, especially the onsen. However, above all, I feel like the people in Fukuoka are honestly one of the most friendly people out there. And welcome to my latest obsession with all of these Japanese gadgets. So I recently stumbled upon Bandai Namco in Canal City, Fukuoka. They have a massive collection of UFO machines as well as Gachapons, which I will show you in a bit. And if you're interested, leave me a comment down below if you want to see everything that I have gotten from these capsule machines. And I have to say, everything is so cute that you just really want to try to get one of these, and of course we did. And welcome to my official new obsession with capsule machines, aka Gachapons, aka Gachapon. So these machines essentially is you put in your 200, 300, 400, 500 yen into it, and then randomly comes out a toy that is collectible. So usually they are in really cute sets, and sometimes they are also branded, like this one here that I'm trying to go for is the Disney set. These are actually little charms that you can clip onto your cell phone, or you can clip onto your bags and things like that. The one that I really wanted was Marie, but honestly I'm okay with all of them. They're all so cute, and every one of them is so detailed as well.
Do you want that one or do you want another one?
It's okay, I like it. Machines, I have to share this. This place is called I'm Donut. They also have a few places in Tokyo as well, but the one in Fukuoka, there's less wait. And honestly, these are the best donuts I've ever had in my entire life. They are so fluffy. They're a little bit mochi-like as well, but the flavors are so good. Not too sweet, just how I like it.